Hello everybody and welcome to the May unboxing of the Stationery Selection. I'm so excited to show you guys this box. I have not seen all of the items yet. I had a little bit of a sneak from Mitts, but I haven't seen a lot of these items. These are items completely new to me and I'm really excited. So let's just jump right in. I have the information sheet right here. But the first thing that we have is this monochrome sticker sheet, and this is from a creator that Mitts has featured several times in the past. The designs are always really cute, and the good thing about having a monochrome design is that the black and gray and gold color theme are really going to go with anything. You're not going to have any real issues using these stickers, which I'm really excited about. I love to use these stickers on my postcards to decorate my postcards because they're not very big. The next item is this pen. This is a Mitsubishi Sign Pen, which means it's a brush pen. And it is a water-based pigment felt tip pen. And when it's dry, it's water resistant. So if you want to watercolor it or sort of do anything, it's going to stay. It's not going to leave your page. It's not going to bleed. It's not going to do anything. And it's a sign pen, which means that it's going to give you that faux calligraphy look if you do hard down strokes and lighter up strokes. But we will test this pen out in a minute. I really am excited about it. It looks very retro, like from the 60s. So I love the design of this and I can't wait to test it out. The next item, which I'm really excited about, I only have one of these pens, but this is the pencil, the mechanical pencil set, and we get the whole set. And it comes with 4 colors and the replaceable colored leads. Now I know it's not lead, but it says replaceable leads because that's what we're also used to saying. But the really fun, like I did take this out and sort of play with it a little bit earlier, but it's just like a regular mechanical pencil except for it's colored. And the nib does push back in, but I love the clicking action here. And that's how you know it's like snug. It's not going to fall out. If it falls over on your desk, it's not going to go flying anywhere. It comes with this great holder, so it's going to stay put, and I love this design. And then you just slightly give a little tug and it pulls right out. I absolutely love this. And like I said, I only have one of these EMOTT or EMOTT pens, and it was in a previous kit when these pens first hit the market, and I still use and love it. And this is what holds all of your replaceable colored leads. So there's a bunch of different colors in there. They're not all coming out, but I think that's so fun. I love when we get these. My kids love using them, and I just throw them in my bag, and they always have something to write with or color with. But this is really fun. This is definitely going to go on my desk and be on the ready for whenever the kids come in and play. But I just love this satisfactory clicking sound and that it holds it in there. The design of that is just awesome. So we'll test that out. The next item is a wooden stamp, and I've seen the design of it and I'm very excited. The size definitely is different than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bigger square, but it's actually a more rectangular, and I love that. But basically the point of this design is this beautiful wreath outlay, and then the ability to use it as a date indicator. So you would stamp it and then just color in, you know, whatever block you need. So if you need like the 7th, you just color in the O and then the 7. And I just think that's really fun. We will test this out so that you never have any worries, but I love the exclusive branding on the side. This is just the perfect size. I thought it was going to be bigger, but I actually love that it's a lot smaller because this is something that I can use in my journal and not worry about it taking up too much space. And then of course, if we get a stamp, we're also going to get an ink, and I absolutely love these little ink pads. I wish I could acquire them easier on my own, and I've tried, but they're not super easy to acquire. this particular brand, this Artnik brand. And I'm always really happy when Mitz sends it over, but it's in the color Umber, which I am very excited to test out. We've gotten 3 or 4 of these in the past, and I cherish them. It's the first ink pad I grab for whenever I'm doing anything in my journals. I just really love these. We've got a business card, and then we've got this very heavy, this is a heavy notebook. 183 pages. Let's see what this is all about. I haven't read on this notebook. This is a Kokuyo Aeon notebook, and they've been around for a while because Mitz recalls seeing them everywhere she goes. But look at the design on that. I love that. I love this color. This OD green color is definitely my favorite color, but look how thick this notebook is. This is a proper notebook. What is this? Oh my goodness. I am 100% sure my oldest is going to steal this from me. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, what? And secondly, what? Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so my oldest child is definitely going to steal these, and he's going to steal this, and I'm never going to see these things again. How adorable is this? I've never seen anything like this before. I love Japanese stationery, but I definitely do not know the ins and outs like Mitz does. She lives in Japan, so she's able to go to all the stationery shows and to see these things in the store and really get a feel for how they will vibe with her box. But I mean, this is a fully printed notebook. This is not cheap. Like, this is not a cheap sort of situation. I know it's, you know, just sort of 1 or 2 colors, like variant of this teal color, but this is not a cheap notebook to make. Printing this is not cheap. So, wow. Okay, I'm going to test this out. I don't know what size this is. It's not A5. It's not B6. It does not say what size it is, but let me see. Here's a traveler's notebook insert for comparison. So it's just a little bit, maybe it is A5. It definitely doesn't feel like A5. It feels like it's more narrow. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Let's test all this stuff out really quickly. I'm going to test the paper quality. Let's do it in the back. Yeah, let's do it back here. I don't want to ruin this notebook because this thing is super cute. Okay, let's test this sign pen first. Okay, this is a very hard nib. I'm really having to push. Oh gosh, notebook moved on me. I love this. Oh gosh, there's a bug in here. Ew, gross. All right, let's test this stamp. Yeah, I love how stable that nib is. Oh, look how soft that color is. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm going to color it in. That is a vibrant yellow. Oh yeah, never seeing these again. That's the beauty of having kids. Look at that green. That is a really sweet green. These are really going to go really well with this notebook. Ooh, you know what? Okay, so I was worried that these were going to be like super stationary colors and like really bright, but these are very earthy and I really, really love that. Trying to trap that bug. He is gone. Okay. The joys of having toddlers that leave the door open all the time. I want to test these colors with this aqua blue. So you can see how fun this is going to be to use these in this notebook that's printed already. I can just see like young creative minds just going nuts with this. So fun. Like this could turn into like a coloring page, you know? Color the flowers in. What is this? Oh my god, I need to stop. I'm gonna get myself in trouble here. I just love this. Yeah, so there are the items tested. Oh, let's fill that stamp in really quickly. Making sure my pencils are not going to go anywhere. And then today is what? What is the date? The 22nd. So it would be this, 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 and this. I'm not doing a very good job, am I? And if you wanted to, you didn't want to use the number, the beauty of this small ink pad is that you can just rub it around the edge, wipe off the middle if you accidentally touched it, and then you just have a really pretty wreath. Just love it. I can't get over this notebook. I just know I'm not going to ever get it back. Okay, so that's everything. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that I demonstrated everything efficiently. I think everything is really fun. I had a really good time opening these things and I can't wait to use them for the next few months and forever. I don't know. These things will be here for a long time, but I'm sure that the notebook is going to get taken. It definitely has a fall winter vibe. I do want to say that. To me, I guess it could be all season. There's some florally stuff in here too, but maybe it's meant to go through the seasons. I can't really tell that fully, but there's like snowy bits here and snow-covered trees, so maybe it is meant to sort of go through the seasons. Summer, autumn, into winter. Maybe. I don't know. I just love it, and it's so thick. Okay, alright, I'm done. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.